everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a professional talking head advert with Google VEO3. It's fast, simple, and super effective. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini AI and then ask it to build a prompt for you. For example, you can write like this: create a prompt for Google VEO3 and then just describe your video, your ad video. Just clearly describe the advert that you want, and Gemini will generate a ready-to-use prompt like this. And when Gemini gives you the prompt, just copy it. And then now go to Google Flow. And then just paste it in the prompt box. And then just choose your model that you want. And then just choose your output. And then after that, just click on Generate. And in just a few moments, VEO3 will deliver your AI advert like this, just like the one that I made before. So let's try to play the video.
Hey everyone, I've got to share my secret for amazing skin. I've been using this skincare serum and it's a game changer. My skin feels so hydrated and dewy. Hey everyone, I've got to
Like this. It looks super realistic, right? And okay, that's it. Super quick and easy. And okay, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.